Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might notice that I don't have lashes on right now, and there's a good reason for that. I'm not much of an individual lash babe. I literally am strip lash all the way. Recently I wanted to try individual lashes just to see what it feels like, to see if I like it and stuff like that. So I got them done twice, once in the UK and once in Nigeria. The reason why I felt like I didn't like it to begin with was because I like to wash my face thoroughly. Like when I'm washing my face, I like to get all in there, scrub a dub, make sure everything is clean. And with individual lashes, it's only, you can basically only wash around them, and I don't like the feeling of washing around my eyes. And although I did really like the lashes that I got done, especially the ones I got done in Nigeria, they were a little bit annoying in the sense that I couldn't wash my face properly, I couldn't touch my eyes or rub my eyes, they were falling out, quite expensive, they didn't last that long. So I wanted to try something that would give me the individual lash look, but was affordable and was very minimal in the sense that I can take them off when I want, put them back on when I want. So I'm gonna be testing out the Lash individual timeless lashes, and these are basically cluster lashes. They give you the individual eye look, but with literally a quarter, probably even less than the price, and they're very quick and easy. So I'm going to be showing you how I do this. It's going to be my first time, so we're going to be doing this together, and hopefully it comes out looking bomb. So yeah, stay tuned. So starting off, I'm going to grab their Bond and Lock. I love that this product is 2-in-1, as you don't have to be carrying around too much product. This is what the cluster looks like. It has a super thin band, which makes it so easy to apply, and it also makes it very invisible as well. So I'm gonna start off by putting on the Bond all over my lashes, kind of like a mascara. I love the wand of this because it's super thin, so it gets onto the lashes. And all you're gonna do is literally look down and pop each lash underneath your natural lashes. Literally, that's it. It's so easy and so quick. I'm gonna continue to do this. Look down, place, take your time with this as well. Again, it's not gonna take you a lot of time if you do it properly. Look down, pop it on, and it's gonna stick right onto those lashes. The Bond is so strong, so you don't have to worry about any lashes falling off. What I like about these lashes as well, they come in different sizes, 10mm, 12mm and 14mm. So what I did is put the 14 towards the end and the shorter lengths towards the front. And this is what it looks like at the end when I'm done. Literally so natural. Also, what I love about it is that there's no band compared to other individual lash mimicky looks. There's literally no band. Because the lash band is so thin, you can't see anything. So it looks super natural. It looks like you literally just got them done at the salon. This is a comparison of my one eye that's done and one eye that's not done. Such a big difference. And I love the fact that I can do this at home. So I'm literally going to pinch my natural lashes with the falsies just so it looks more natural, and voila, that's it done. That's literally it, guys. This won't take you more than 20 minutes at the most if you're quite fiddly, but if you are quite good with your hands, probably take you 10 minutes. I think this is a good alternative to getting your lashes done every 2 weeks and wasting money. Okay guys, so I'm done with both eyes, and this is what we are looking like. This is what we're working with. I absolutely love how this turned out. Really shocked at how close they look to individuals and how quick it took me as well. Like it literally took me like less than 10 minutes to do. And because they come in like different sizes and different styles, I was able to create like my own individual personal style to how I want my lashes to look. So if you notice, I have them more flared and wispy on the ends and a little bit shorter in the front, because that's how I would like my lashes done when they're done. I like the fact that I'm able to have control over exactly how I want my lashes to look, and I love them. Let me know what you guys think of the results down below. Definitely get your hands on these lashes. I'll leave a direct link in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Also, to remove them, they do provide a cleanser. So you just basically put this on a cotton pad, soak them on your eyes, and they'll fall right off. I'm gonna make good use of this as well. Also, what I love about these lashes is that they are reusable. So you can literally take them off, put them back on the tray, clean them, wash them, whatnot, and put them back and use them again. You can use them up to 7 times, which is amazing. Literally, you're saving yourself a big buck. So if I did want to keep them on, these lashes are supposed to last up to 2 weeks. So that's also a plus as well. Literally, they last the same time as normal individual lashes if you keep them properly. And if they do fall off for any reason, you can literally just stick 1 lash back on. That's not gonna take you as much time and effort as it will go into a salon to get them redone. So yeah, they look super, super natural and super flirty and so cute. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.